Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, today is the first Friday of the month. So today is the NFP, the non-firm payroll. As you can see on the screen that we have high impact news on US dollar. Okay, and if you are a trader, then you know it very well that NFP plays a big role for traders like us because it brings extreme volatility in the market. So as I always say, traders, be careful. Beginners, new traders, do not try to gamble with your hard-earned money. Try to observe the market, gain some experience, but do not gamble with your capital. And you can see here three things to watch: job report, labor participant, average hourly wages. On job report, the non-farm payroll report for June is expected out at 8:30 ET. Analysts expect the economy added 225,000 jobs in June, down from the previous month. And regarding labor participation rate, the government's jobs report will show the labor participation rate for June. Analysts are expecting the reading to stay the same at 62.6%. And regarding average wages, average hourly earnings are expected to rise 0.3% for the month and 4.2% for the year. The annualized number is a slight cooling from the previous reading. If you want, then you can also take a screenshot of this so that you can later on understand how the market is about to react or what you can expect from the market. So that's all about the news. Let's look at DXY. Yesterday, DXY showed extreme volatility. DXY tried to cross the level, but DXY failed. We have been talking about a range of DXY 103.60 to 102.70. This is the range of DXY, and if DXY really wants to continue the upside, then it will have to cross the resistance of 103.60. For the last couple of days, DXY is trying its best but unable to do so, and you can clearly see that though market was an uptrend, but right now market is stuck in a range here. Market is sideways. So during the day, there should not be extreme volatility where we can expect a breakout or breakdown, but after NFP, DXY may try again to come out of the range. I'm not talking about any breakdown or breakout because it is very difficult to predict the market, because news market is full of manipulation. News market is full of insider trading, market digesting the news, many things. Okay, so try to follow the trend of the market right after the news if you want to trade. Okay, but as a beginner, try to avoid the market. Okay, as I said, if DXY really wants to continue the upside, then it will have to break this level of 103.60. Then only DXY can continue the upside. In case market drops, then obviously things will not be very positive for DXY. So let's wait and watch how DXY performs after NFP. Okay, and again I'm saying, if you really want to understand the news, then you can also take a screenshot of this so that you can understand the news better. And this is the 1 hour chart of gold. Yesterday gold showed a big drop, massive drop. Gold made a low of almost 1902. Okay, when I saw this candle, to be honest, I was shocked. I was shocked to see this kind of drop on that chart of gold. But as we have been discussing, that 1900 level is a strong support. Okay, not only market took support previously, but also around 1900 level we have psychological support. Around 1900 level we have a huge number of contracts piled up. So more or less we saw market respecting the level of 1900 and market bounced from 1902, and right now gold is standing at 1910 level. After news, after NFP, okay, I will say that try to follow the trend of the market. In case you see market going up, gold is bullish after NFP, then do not try to go against the trend, try to follow the trend of the market. You see gold going down, try to follow the trend of the market after NFP. So whatever I'll be discussing right now, the levels that I'll be mentioning right now are only valid before NFP only. Because after news, when fundamentals will dominate the market, there's a 90% chance that technicals will not work. We are traders, so it is extremely important to know when our levels will work and when our levels will not work. Okay, so first of all, the yesterday's support of 1902, okay, the yesterday's support of 1902, or precisely speaking 1903 to 1900, is still very much valid. During the day, especially during the European session, in case there is a sudden drop in the market, you can expect the market to take support around 1903 to 1900 level. 1900 is a strong support right now, as a result of which it requires a good amount of volume to break 1900 level. And usually before a big event, market does not show extreme volatility. In that case, we can expect market to take support around 1903 1900 level. If market takes support and bounces, you can go for a buy position. You can expect a profit of 40 to 50 pips. Okay, so this is your first trading opportunity on the chart. After NFP, in case gold drops suddenly, 1893 may act as support. I am not convinced much, but yes, there is a possibility of 1893 working as support. There is a 50-50 chance. Okay, I'm not convinced much, but yes, you can also consider 1893 in case gold drops but the selling pressure is not very high. Then you can expect, if gold starts falling with candles like this, big red candles like this, then obviously market will not take support. Volatility of the market will decide whether the level will work or not. Okay, so before NFP, you can expect this level to work as support. If market takes support and bounces, you can go for a buy. After NFP, there's a 50-50 chance of 1893 working as support. Okay, and then you can see, if we go to 15 minutes chart, then market is flat right now. There is not much activity movement going on. So during the day, if gold breaks 1908, okay, if gold breaks 1908, there's a chance that market will be heading lower. Okay. If you see the market is going below 1908, but the size of the candles are not very good. Market is forming dojis and spinning tops. In that case, you can avoid taking a sell. But if you see that more or less setting pressure is good, you can look for a sell below 1908 with proper risk management. Because see, for again I'll say that breakout or breakdown volume is extremely important. We are considering a sell below 1908 because we do not have any strong support. If there would have been a strong support, then obviously we had avoided. But right now, as we do not have any strong support, so we are expecting that we can go for a sell below 1908 if market falls below it. So the time will tell. Okay, how much you can expect? You can expect a move of safely. You can expect a move of 30 pips, 25 to 30 pips below 1908 level. Okay. On the other hand, if market goes up from here during the day, if you see some recovery on the market, especially during the Asian session, okay, during the Asian session, if market recovers, then you can look for some resistance around 1915 level. Why 1915? Because see, yesterday around 1915, market showed price rejection, and we also have FIBO 38.2 around the area, and the same level also acted as support previously. So previous support will be working as resistance. If you combine all the factors here, then at least during the Asian session, when there is not much volatility in the market, we can expect 1950 to work as a weak resistance. Not all the levels in the market are of equal strength, so 1915 may act as resistance during the Asian session, especially. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. Okay. And if market shows volatility, if you see the market is going up with good green candles, then before US session, especially during the Asian session or European session, you can look for some sell around 1918 level to 1919 level. The reason behind in 1918 to 1919 is FIBO 50% retracement. Last time FIBO 38.2 worked, that's why we are expecting FIBO 50 to work as well. And as we do not have any news before the NFP during the the European session. That's why we're expecting 1918 to 1919 to work, because market will not be too volatile also. So if market goes up, if you see the market is struggling around 1980, 1990 level, market shows price rejection from above, you'll get a confirmation that yes, you can look for a sell and you can hit on the sell button. And lastly, we have 1928 to 1926. In case of extreme volatility in the market, you can expect 1928, 1926 to act as resistance. As of now, 1928, 1926 seems to be the strongest resistance in the market. Okay. So in case market shows good amount of volatility and market goes up, you can look for a reversal around this area as well. Okay. So these are the levels you need to watch right now before NFP. After NFP, there's a 90% chance that it will not work because of extreme volatility. As I said, as a trader, you need to know when your levels will work, when your levels will not work. We are traders, not gamblers. And my dear friends, the Hindi workshop is ending today and the English workshop is starting from tomorrow. So if you're still interested and if you still have not signed up, you can check out the link in the description. I have also pasted a link in the description so that you can understand, okay, what is this all about if you're new to the channel. I have been talking about the workshop for quite some time, so I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. I'll simply say that it's the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Okay, if you really want to take your trading as a serious source of income, you can definitely consider joining the workshop. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care.